Today we start our plus 1 topic, biology topic, chapter first, the living world. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Now we can start our topic, the first chapter, that is the living world. First we need to study what is the term habitat. Habitat is the natural home or environment of an organism. Organisms include all plants and animals. Examples of habits include mountains, deciduous forest, lakes, desert and hot spring. What is deciduous forest? The plants in the deciduous forest shed their leaves annually. Then the unique features of living organism. All living organisms shows metabolism. What is metabolism? The whole chemical activities take place in a cell is altogether known as metabolism. Then all living organisms reproduce. They give birth to next generation. They form group interactions. Then the fourth point, organize. That is levels of organization. That is the cellular level to organism level of organization. That is cell, tissue, organ system and organism. Next, diversity in the living world. Diversity in the living world. There are numerous terms: biodiversity, nomenclature, identification. First, biodiversity. The number and types of organisms present on earth is known as biodiversity. Nomenclature. It is the process of giving scientific name to all organisms. Identification. It is the correct description, helps for classification and naming. The binomial nomenclature provides two names for organisms. The first name is generic name and the second specific name. The generic name start with a capital letter. Here example, Mangifera indica is the scientific name of mango tree. There are certain rules for binomial nomenclature that include the generic name, the first name, start with a capital letter and the specific name start with a small letter. A gap put between two names. A gap should put between the generic name and specific name. The names written in italics or underlined. All names generally in Latin. Next topic, classification. The process by which anything is grouped into convenient categories based on easily observable characters. Example, cats, dogs, cow. Under animals, they have external hair, mammary glands, so they include mammalia. There are few another terms, that is taxa, taxonomy, systematics. Taxa, the scientific terms for categories. taxonomy, the process of classification. Then the systematics, the branch of study of classification. Next part, taxonomic categories. Taxonomic categories. The overall taxonomic arrangement, the categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. This is the hierarchy. It starts from species to kingdom. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum and or division, then last kingdom. What is species? Species is the basic unit of classification. A group of individuals, organisms with fundamental similarities include in a species. Example, Mangifera indica. Here indica is represent the specific name. Next example, Homo sapiens. Sapiens means humans. Next higher category, genus. A group of related species. So genera are aggregates of closely related species. There are numerous examples. In case of Panthera leo, Panthera tigris and Panthera pardus. Panthera is the generic name. Here lion, tiger and leopard were different species but have some common characters. So they are arranged under a common genera, Panthera. Next higher category, family. Family is the next higher categories. A group of related genera include in a family. Example, genera Solanum, Petunia and Datura are placed under family Solanaceae. Example 2, family Felidae include two genus, that is Felis and Panthera. The genus Felis include cats. Genus Panthera includes tiger, leopard and lion. Next, order. Order is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters. Example, plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in order Polymoniales. Second example, families Felidae and Canidae. Felidae and Canidae include the order Carnivora. Third example, order Primata comprise monkeys, gibbons and gorilla. Next, higher hierarchy is class. Class include related orders. Example, class Mammalia include order Primata and Carnivora. Next higher division, phylum and division. In case of animals, they are classified by the presence or absence of notochord. What is notochord? A hollow tubular structure that present on the dorsal part of the body, that is the part of neural system. Animals with notochord placed under phylum Chordata and animals without notochord placed under phylum Non-Chordata. Division is Usually, division is the term usually used in plant case. In case of plants, similar classes include in higher categories division. Last, kingdom. All animals include kingdom Animalia and all plants include kingdom Plantae. Then we can discuss about this column. Here there are different columns: common name, biological name or genus, family, order, class, phylum in case of animals and division in case of plants. First example, man. Biological name Homo sapiens. Here Homo is the generic name and species is the specific name. Family Hominidae, order Primata, class Mammalia, and they have notochord. So they include the phylum Chordata. Next, housefly. Musca domestica. Musca is the generic name and domestica is the specific name. They include family Macidae and order Diptera, class Insecta and phylum Arthropoda. Mango. Scientific name Mangifera indica. Mangifera generic name, indica specific name. Family Anacardiaceae. Order Sapindales, class Dicotyledonnae. Here division. Here phylum. These are animals, but mango is a plant tree. So here we denote division. Division Angiospermae. Next, also a plant wheat. Scientific name Triticum aestivum. Triticum specific generic name and aestivum generic name. Family Poaceae. Order Povales. Class Monocotyledonnae and division Angiospermae.